Good morning, Design Squad. It is week 3 of Designmas. Today is December 16th, so we are literally like less than 10 days from Christmas. Christmas is next Wednesday, and yeah, I'll be going home this Sunday and probably coming back after Christmas. But yeah, I'm super excited. I do have some things to get, like I'm probably going to get that this week, like finish up gifts and things like that. Honestly, like Christmas just came by so quickly. I know we always say that. You know, I have a lot of different projects that I want to do in 2020. You know, obviously we have everybody has like New Year resolution goals, but I definitely want to get some things done out the way before December ends, before I actually go home. And then I also want to make sure that I'm planning for next year. Yeah, not really much is on the schedule today. I may try and do like a video. I'm trying to look at my little calendar, and I need to post a picture on Instagram, and if I do a video then I'm going to try and edit. But yeah, not really much on the schedule like today. I'm also trying to like really go through and declutter everything. I've been here since March, but I still feel that everything like over time always accumulates, so I need to kind of go through everything because I'm really trying to live a minimalistic lifestyle. Like that's something that I aspire to do, because I just don't like a lot of things that are crowded, and I just want everything to be kind of like simple and organized. So that's what I'm trying to do before December ends, so I may do some of that today. So yes, let's get our day started. All right, you guys, so this is what I was talking about as far as like the boxes. I have all these boxes full of clothes, except for one of these boxes, like this one here, is for the giveaway, and I also have more that I need to put there. So yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot, like it's jam-packed. Hey guys, so it's later in the day, almost about 4 o'clock, and I'm about to make some cookies. I got a Bath & Body Works package, which I'm so upset with Bath & Body Works. We're not even gonna talk about that because they just did me wrong for the second time. So I'm no longer ordering off Bath & Body Works online. I'm gonna just go in the store whenever I need something. That way I know that I'm going to for sure get it. But yeah, we're gonna make cookies. I'm thinking about sugar cookies and chocolate chip because I have 2. So yeah. Hey y'all, it is December 17th, is it? It is December 17th. I've actually just finished recording a video which will be up on my channel tomorrow, December 18th. So if you haven't already, definitely check that video out. And I also just finished eating some Chinese food. I'm about to go to the movies to see Jumanji and The Next Level, I think that's what it's called, and then also to McAdenville to see the Christmas lights. If you don't know what McAdenville is, or if you're not in the Charlotte area, McAdenville is like this Christmas town USA, they call it. So it's basically like a village. It's basically like a neighborhood filled with a lot of Christmas lights. I think it's a town. So everybody in the town has like their house decorated, the stores are decorated, like everything is like decorated. So yeah, I'm about to go and do that. And of course I'm about to take you guys along so I can get some little footage so you can see how it is. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to come on here real quick. I need to do my hair because I'm not liking this little push back. I thought that would be cute, but I wanted to come on here really quick and, you know, just update you guys on what we're going to be doing. Trying to be better at vlogging. It is Tuesday, so yeah, and hopefully McAdenville is usually very busy, so I'm hoping that it's not too busy tonight. It's a Tuesday, but I mean, yeah, you don't know, you never know. So we actually got out the car and we're starting to walk, but we're not walking far. We just wanted to take some pictures. I know you can't see. Yeah, so we're just gonna take some pictures right Good morning you guys. It is December 19th, so it is a Thursday. I went Christmas shopping yesterday. I didn't want to take my camera because, you know, it's just a lot of bad things that's happening just in the world. I mean, they've been happening, but it just seems like it's very heightened now. I want my camera to be like a distraction for me. 27th, I'm actually trying to do vision boards, so I'm trying to come back on the 26th to get myself together. Earl's birthday is on the 31st, and I have things planned with him earlier that day, and then I have things planned for New Year's later that night. So it's going to be a full day on the 31st, so that's why I'm trying to get everything, like all the Christmas decorations down before the new year. I know some people keep it out after the new year, but I'm not that type of person, only because of how I was brought up. So I'm about to go ahead and edit this video and get started. Good morning. It is December, I don't know the date. I think it's December 21st. Yeah, it is December 21st, and it is a Saturday. Honestly, you guys, like, your girl been down and out. I'm about to pack. I'm going home tomorrow, and I do have some more Christmas shopping to do today, so I'll probably take you along to see. I had to make sure my bows were still out, so I'll probably take you along just so I can get all that together. But yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do, like today. Yesterday, like, my cycle came on, and I have such a horrible time whenever my cycle comes on, so I really didn't do everything that I was supposed to do yesterday. I'm gonna do today because I feel just a little bit better, but not really. But I have a horrible time whenever my cycle comes on. So I got some gift bags. I have some bowls, and there's some bowls right there as well. I tried to put it on, I don't know if you can see, I tried to put it on the presents. I have some gift boxes, tissue paper, and also some bows. So here in my beauty room, I have a lot of boxes that I'm actually going through right now. They're filled with clothes. These boxes right here are filled with clothes as well. All this right here looks crowded. So, and then also down here, these are all my blazers, and then those are purses. I have more hangers, but yeah, all this look really crowded, and I need to go through all of these as well. This is a lot of clothes. There's literally clothes in every single box. I had to take off my little headscarf because your girl, it was getting hot. But I literally went through all of my clothes, everything that I did not want, everything that I'm giving away. About to wash dishes and clean up the kitchen, and then I'm gonna get in the shower, and then I'm gonna head out and do some Christmas shopping so I can come back and like relax, because your girl is not feeling it today at all. I'm upset about my hair. Like, for New Year's, I'm gonna have to throw on a little wig because my hair is looking really crazy right now. I actually need a relaxer, and my stylist is not available until January 9th, and I haven't had a relaxer in probably like 2 months right now, which is okay because I don't like to get relaxers back to back. But I'm just saying, like, I haven't had my hair done by her in a very long time, and the fact that she's not available until January 9th, that's even longer. But yeah, so I'll see you in the next scene because my battery is dying.